So hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another fresh video. So today is a Sunday, and the time right now is 2:30. We went to Margao. We got fish. We got Chonok, and my videos are still going on here. So you are watching our video only, and today we got Chonok. So I'll just show you. We got Atmas also from the church, that is pork Atmas. So, yeah. So this is the fish, and this is Atmas. So our chef is just done. So we are thinking of stuffing the fish with full baby corn and potatoes and all, and we'll be putting it in the oven. So now the oven is currently preheating. So I'll show you the procedure for that. How we can preheat the oven in convection mode. But first we'll put the masala, and also Justin is getting the masala ready. So the preheat is done. I kept it at 190 degrees for 5 minutes. We are searching for the micro plate.
2,000 years later.
So all this while we are searching for the micro plate. Go to see Jashal has kept it over here and she's searching tirelessly for it. So now we are marinating our fish. Our fish is ready with the full marination, and now we will put it in this. Wait, before that we'll just put this plate. So this plate goes first. Okay, so before that I'll just show you the procedure how we can do it. So click on convection. So here you'll get the degree. So just click on this button only, and then this changes. So you can set it up at 190 degrees, and then you can set the minutes here. Like for 5. I'm just keeping 4 now because it's been quite a long time that I preheated this thing, and then we can start. So after 4 minutes are done, we can put this plate and we can directly keep the fish on it. So since we are grilling it, there are chances that it will become dry. So we are putting some olive oil on it. Okay, so we placed it in here. And yeah, so now all that's left is micro plus convection. Okay, there is a combo here. So this is, we'll be keeping it on the second one. That's at 140. So at 140, and the minutes will be 15. Oh shit. So I'll just stop and reset. So we have to set it up on grill. Yeah, this one, grill micro plus grill. Okay, and click on it twice, so we'll get the option for combo 1, and combo 2 is the one that we should be selecting. And I think it already comes with the minutes. That's 15 minutes we have to set it for. So you'll get this logo, and then you know it's in convection mode, and we directly start. So it will turn slowly. So we'll wait for 15 minutes and check what's the status on it. So the currents are back, and our cook is a bit dehydrated. So we'll put some oil, and then we'll start again. So we have 4 seconds left. Our fish is almost done. We just have to turn it now. Okay. So we'll just take it out, and we'll check, because we will need to turn it also. So we'll just turn it over right now. We are putting the baby corn. We did not put it first because it would get all burnt out. Okay, so now we'll place it back inside. $15 minutes and start. We won't be keeping it for 15 minutes. We'll just keep it for 10 or 12. and then we'll remove it because before the currents went, it cooked for 7-8 minutes. That's right. So finally, fish is done. So the fish is done. Perfect. I will just open it up. I will put the juice which is all come out. We'll put it on it first. Take some. I got pulao and admas for me. I'll just take a taste. See how perfectly it's done. It's not burnt and it's perfectly cooked inside. We had food and now we started playing English in no pana kitna re banna maka. So we are playing no pana. I don't know what it's called in English. Okay, so yes, so I'm home now, and I think that's it for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you on the next video. Bye.